You're watching the Lychee Boy at work, and if you're watching this, that probably means you need a last-minute Halloween costume idea. Well, so do I. We're in this together. And I have an idea, but not only an idea, I have a storyline that could fit this idea. Now hear me out, okay? Imagine there's a secret non-governmental research organization, okay? And this organization has many branches across the world. However, one of these branches has discovered a secret serum that can prolong your life. It's a red serum, but they've only managed to create so much of it. And one of these scientists, he's been hiding his creepy mad scientist vibes for a while. And now, when this serum came out, he's greedy. He wants it, okay? He needs it. He wants to prolong his life, because just a milliliter of this serum can prolong your life for 10,000 years, okay? We're talking fiction here, okay? So, he goes into a wardrobe, okay? A cleaning wardrobe. There's no security cameras in this cleaning wardrobe. What does he find in the cleaning wardrobe? He wants to disguise himself. So he finds a box, okay? He finds a box. It just so happens to fit on his head perfectly, okay? Perfectly. Not only that, right? He's a scientist, so he's got these sterile gloves, right? So he's not gonna leave any fingerprints behind if he needs to kill somebody, right? Because nothing comes in the way of getting that serum, baby. And then, right, he has a uniform on. It has his name embroidered on it. He's not gonna be using that, right? So he needs to disguise himself with some other clothes. And the only clothes inside that wardrobe are some torn pants. Okay, some torn pants, right? Listen, a belt, an old belt, all right? And a relatively formal and very old shirt that just smells of mothballs, okay? He finds this, and he takes the box, and he draws creepy smiley faces on every side of the box, so that when you look at him from any angle, he's always looking at you, like that. Yeah, okay. And then he goes out to get this serum. And in the process, of course, he's got to kill some people because, well, but he has his identity concealed, so, you know, that's part of his costume. And, of course, while he's on his killing spree to get his serum, a bunch of blood splatters all over this cardboard mask of his, right, that he's got going on. He finally reaches the life-prolonging red serum. Takes it, it's in a syringe, right? And he leaves. Mad scientist. And guess what his name was? His name is Psymark, okay? You know how I made up that name? Well, let me tell you, okay? It's a mix between Psycho and Mark, right? You put those together, you get Psymark, all right? Psymark. And that's it, yeah. He lives for the next 1,000,000 years because now he has the serum. So he's a creepy dude, a psychopath named Psymark, and he manages to escape and never be seen again. So I want to make the costume that I just described in this story, alright? Mad scientist vibes here, alright? You're gonna love this. This is a last-minute Halloween costume idea, and I think it's okay. So let's get on right into it. I have a cardboard box right over here, okay? And I already made a tracer, 24 by 24 centimeter square. I'm gonna trace this 5 times on this cardboard, all right? Then I'm gonna make the box. And then I'm gonna draw the creepy smiley faces. All right, so I'm gonna make a box out of this right here cardboard with a 24 by 24 centimeter square tracer. I'm gonna trace 5 of these and then put them together to make a box. Alright, so we've got 5 squares cut out. Now I'm going to use the glue gun and put them together to form a box with an open lid. So the box from our story is complete. However, to make it more believable, the secret scientific organization is called H3O. So I should probably put some kind of logo that would belong to this storyline. So H3O Incorporated, perhaps on one side of this box to make it more believable, I guess. It fits perfectly on my head. Hello, good day. How is everybody doing? I just need to stabilize it a bit so it doesn't turn around while it's on my head, like that. But yeah, I'll get to that, and I'll add that logo in, and then we're gonna get to the creepy smiley face. So I stenciled on H3O Incorporated with a pen and this here stencil, and I think that looks pretty cool. It looks like an official package came in to the corporation. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the creepy smiley face. What we're gonna do first is find the center of the page. Page is 21 centimeters at 10.5. We will mark it. Then we're gonna take a compass and we're gonna create a semicircle. Alright, so we've created a semicircle. Now we're going to create an adjacent semicircle 3 centimeters away from the first. Once we've done that, we're going to create the eyes. The eyes will be within this semicircle and they will droop down into it, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters away from the edge of the second semicircle. Alright, so this is the main characteristics of the deadly smiley face complete. Well, I mean, it looks creepy to me. Perception is subjective. However, I think I can add a little more creepy factor by adding in some interesting patterns in the smile. I think these lines inside the smile add an interesting characteristic. What I'm going to do now is simply make 5 more of these by layering the paper on top of more sheets and then cutting them all at once. Okay, so we finally have all the cutouts ready. Now it's time to paste them on the respective sides of the box. Okay, so we've done it. Now it's time to paint it. I'd like to make a comment on the manner in which I'm painting this. I'm essentially making very short, subtle strokes that are almost like taps. So you get this sort of spiky effect around the eye that looks something like this, and then the mouth. So this sort of like spikes. It gives a more ominous look to the smile in general. Time to add the red paint. Not only am I going to add the red paint inside these gaps over here, but I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to spray the red paint like this, so that it looks like there was blood sprayed all over it. So what I'm doing right now is using the paintbrush and spraying red paint onto the face like this. I could add some fingerprints like this. And I'm mixing the red paint with a little bit of black to give that bloody feel. So That is the main part of this complete. Doesn't look too bad. I myself look like I killed somebody. Anyway, I'm not done yet. So I've cut out the eye holes, and then I cut out the other pieces from this smile as well that was on the original. And what I'm actually going to put here behind is this paper over here. So it's going to be behind it, and for the cherry on top, I'm going to be using these lights inside here. And because this isn't entirely opaque, it will be seen through this. Let's make that. Well, guess what, guys? We did it. I stuck this not completely opaque craft paper inside here with some tape, and then I took those lights and stuck them inside as well. And if I put sunglasses on, you won't see my eyes. It would match up with the darkness of the eyes. And I put on the sunglasses. Now, I don't have contacts, so you have to go double. And then looks like this. Oh yeah. It's time to suit up as the mad scientist, Mr. Simar, leaving the research laboratory with his life-prolonging serum. It is time to suit up. Let's put the costume together.
No witnesses. No witnesses. No witnesses. No witnesses. No witnesses. No witnesses. That